gonna stick it right on top of this chocolate. And then you kind of eat it like a sandwich, okay? Oh dear, there we go. Alright, see how it's melting? I squish it. Oh, that's a good one. See? And then the chocolate and the marshmallow mixes together. There you go. That's a good s'more bite. Careful, it's gonna be sticky.
I would be doing a little challenge.
Bite of a s'more. Is it good? It's messy. There's no being clean when it comes to s'mores, sweetie. What's up, Cam?
I love you.
I love you. This is our very first night camping.
Yeah.
You know what's so crazy about tonight?
What?
We're never going inside to bed. We're staying outside all night. Thus, camping.
I never did that, Dad. This is a show.
It's a show? Oh, Jesus Christ. You do have pretty brown eyes, man. I'll give you that. Those are going to get you really far in life, I'll be honest.
Mom, Dad, I thought we were going to go to the beach.
We are going to go to the beach after I finish this coffee.
Whoa! Show my hand, hold my hand, and my hand now.
We are camping right under that bridge, right over that bridge, right past that tunnel. Now I know why it's $50 a night to put a tent up with no electricity or anything. Okay, you guys really have to change your light placement. All right, good night, girls. Enjoy your girl side. All right.
Don't tell them we have potato chips.
Don't tell them we have potato chips. It's a great idea. This is the best side.